Hi, Ben. Good morning.
Good morning, Lucy. How are you today?
I am good. I slept well. And you?
I am okay. I woke up early today.
Oh, nice. Early mornings feel good.
Yes, they do. Do you have plans today?
I have a few. I will work and then go to the store.
Sounds good. I will study English today.
Great. Studying English every day helps a lot.
Yes, I try to practice daily.
Good job, Ben.
Lucy, what do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs. What about you?
I eat rice and chicken this morning.
That sounds tasty.
Yes, it is simple but good.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I drink 1 cup every morning.
I drink tea. It helps me relax.
Nice. Tea is healthy.
Yes, I like it. Ben, the weather is nice today.
Yes, it is sunny and warm.
I like sunny weather.
Me too. But sometimes it gets too hot.
True. Do you like rainy days?
A little. Rain makes me sleepy.
Same here. I like soft rain.
Yes, soft rain is peaceful.
Lucy, do you take the bus to work?
Yes, I do. I take the bus every morning.
Is it crowded?
Sometimes, many people go to work at the same time.
I understand. I also wait long for the bus sometimes.
Yes, buses are slow in the morning.
Do you listen to music while waiting?
Yes, I do. It makes the time go faster.
Good idea. I will try that.
Ben, how is your work today?
It is fine. I am busy, but not stressed.
That is good. I also have many tasks.
What are you working on?
I am writing emails and making reports.
Sounds important.
Yes, but it is simple work.
I believe you do it well.
Thank you, Ben.
Lucy, what do you want to eat for lunch?
I want noodles. They are quick and tasty.
Nice choice. I want a sandwich today.
That is light and easy.
Yes, I do not want heavy food today.
Do you eat with your coworkers?
Sometimes. Today, I will eat alone.
Sometimes eating alone helps you relax.
Yes, I agree.
Ben, are you tired?
A little. I worked a lot.
Same here. Afternoon feels long.
Yes, very long.
Do you take a short break?
Yes, I drink water and rest for a bit.
Good. Hydration is important.
Yes, I try to drink enough water.
Lucy, what time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m. And you?
I finish at 4 p.m.
Lucky you.
Yes, but I still have homework at home.
Ah, I see.
Do you cook dinner?
Yes, I cook simple meals.
Cooking at home is healthy.
Yes, I like homemade food.
Lucy, what do you do after work?
I rest a bit, then cook dinner.
Sounds nice.
After dinner, I watch a short video or read a book.
Do you read every day?
Not every day, maybe 3 times a week.
Good habit.
Thank you. What about you?
I study English at night.
That is great. Nighttime is quiet.
Yes, very peaceful.
Ben, what hobbies do you like?
I like music, movies, and walking.
Oh, walking is good for health.
Yes, I walk in the park near my house.
Nice. I like drawing and cooking.
Drawing? That is interesting.
Yes, I draw simple things.
I want to see your drawings someday.
Maybe I will show you.
I look forward to it. Lucy, do you have weekend plans?
Yes, I plan to clean my room and visit my friend.
Nice. I plan to visit my family.
That is good.
Yes, I miss them.
How far is their house?
About 1 hour by bus.
Not too far.
Yes, I visit them often.
Ben, how do you practice English?
I listen to short videos and repeat the sentences.
Good method.
I also write simple sentences every day.
Great. Writing helps a lot.
Yes, I feel more confident now.
Keep going, Ben.
I will. Thank you for your support.
Lucy, do you like shopping?
Yes, but only for things I need.
Same here. I don't like crowded places.
Me neither.
What do you buy often?
I buy food, clothes, and books.
Books are a good investment.
Yes, I agree.
Lucy, can you help me with something?
Sure. What is it?
I do not understand this English sentence.
Let me see.
Here it is.
It means, I want to learn more.
Oh, simple meaning.
Yes, very simple.
Thank you, Lucy.
Anytime, Ben.
Ben, do you have goals for this year?
Yes, I want to speak English better.
That is a great goal.
I also want to travel.
Where do you want to go?
I want to visit Japan.
Oh, Japan is beautiful.
Yes, I want to see the culture.
I hope your dream comes true.
Thank you. Lucy, it is late. I will sleep now.
Yes, me too.
Today was a good day.
Yes, we talked a lot.
Thank you for the conversation.
Thank you too, Ben.
Good night, Lucy.
Good night, Ben. Sleep well. Ben, do you have many friends?
Yes, I have a few close friends.
That is good. Friends are important.
Yes, they help me when I need help.
I agree. I like to spend time with friends too.
What do you do with your friends?
We go to the park or watch movies.
Sounds fun. I sometimes play sports with my friends.
I like that idea. Playing sports is healthy.
Yes, it is.
Ben, what music do you like?
I like pop music and soft songs.
Me too. I like calm songs.
Do you listen to music every day?
Yes, I listen in the morning and evening.
Music makes me happy and relaxed.
Yes, I feel the same.
Can you sing?
A little. I am not very good.
That's okay. Singing is fun.
Yes, I enjoy it.
Lucy, do you like movies?
Yes, very much. I like comedy movies.
I like action movies.
Sometimes I watch action too.
Who is your favorite actor?
I like Tom Hanks.
I like Ryan Reynolds.
Nice. Do you go to the cinema?
Sometimes, but I watch movies at home too.
Same here. Watching at home is comfortable.
Yes, very comfortable.
Then, do you want to go somewhere this weekend?
Yes, that sounds fun. Where?
Maybe the nearby lake. It is beautiful.
Good idea. I like nature.
We can walk and take photos.
I will bring snacks and water.
Great. I will bring a small bag and camera.
Perfect. I am excited.
Me too. It will be fun.
Ben, I must go now.
Okay, Ben. Have a good evening.
Thank you. You too.
See you tomorrow.
Yes. See you.
Bye, Ben.
Bye, Lucy.